तांकां शिक्षा वितरण परिषद हांच्या तर्फे बेस्ट टीचर स्टेट अवॉर्ड फावो जाल्लो आसा। तर हे आशिल्ले प्राथमिक शिक्षण कॅटेगरीतले अवॉर्डी श्री कमलाकर देसाई सर। शिक्षण क्षेत्रांतले तांचे योगदान सामके अभिमानास्पद आसा। यानंतर मी आमंत्रित करते गव्हर्नमेंट प्रायमरी टीचर कॅटेगरी उत्तर गोव्यातून पुरस्कार प्राप्त बोकाडे श्री विठ्ठल रखुमाई गव्हर्नमेंट प्रायमरी स्कूल विठ्ठलापूर साखळी यांना। सरकारी प्राथमिक शाळा नवारवाडा येथील 18 वर्षाच्या प्रदीर्घ त्यांच्या अध्यापन प्रवासाची मुख्य तत्वे म्हणजे नवीन सर्वसमावेशक शिक्षण व समुदायाचा सहभाग, शैक्षणिक साधनांचा प्रभावी वापर, विविध स्पर्धा, विज्ञान प्रकल्प, प्रदर्शन, वादविवाद, सांस्कृतिक उपक्रम याद्वारे त्यांनी मुलांच्या गुणांना योग्य दिशा दिली आहे। त्यांनी राबवले केशव साधनास नारायण जाटी स्कूल फॉर स्पेशल चिल्ड्रन बिचोली। Her journey is filled with remarkable achievements. श्रीमती मंजिरी जोग has successfully trained and guided students to win prestigious awards like the Balashri Award. She has led the team Udan, a musical group of special children which has performed across the state and even represented India at the national champion run. She also played a key role at a Purple Fest 2023 as a moderator for panel discussion. Through her relentless efforts, creativity and service spirit, Srimati Manjiri Dijog has truly embodied the values of a guru. Shri Rajmohan Ramnath Shetty, Viscount of Pedne High School, Pedne, Goa. मी त्यांना विनंती करते त्यांनी व्यासपीठावर येऊन आपला पुरस्कार स्वीकारावा। श्री राजमोहन शेटे सर यांनी शालेय शिक्षणाबरोबरच पर्यावरणपूरक उपक्रम, वृक्षारोपण, मातीपासून गणपती मूर्ती तयार करणे, पाणी संवर्धन उपक्रमातून विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये पर्यावरणाबद्दल जागरूकता निर्माण केली। Moving to the south in the secondary teacher category, we have yet another drawing teacher calling upon Shri Kalidas Satadekar sir from Government High School, Sadar Fonda. To kindly come on to the stage to receive the honors. Shri Kalidas Satadekar sir's teaching goes beyond imitation, focusing on observation, originality and self-expression. Through drawing, painting, clay modeling, calligraphy, sculpture, outdoor sketching and mural painting, he has successfully blended education with character building. As a resource person for GSCRT and Navodaya Leadership Institute, he has trained teachers and conducted workshops across the state. As a practicing artist, he has represented India in confidence and values in every child through the power of art. Once again, congratulating Shri Kalidas Satadekar sir, Government High School, च्या मराठी पाठ्यपुस्तक बघेश्रीचे कॉन्टेक्स्चुअलायझेशन आणि डेव्हलपमेंट ECC अभ्यासक्रमाचे इंग्रजीवरून मराठीत भाषांतर तसेच दीक्षा या राष्ट्रीय व्यासपीठावर मराठी विषयाचे क्युरेटर म्हणून त्यांनी केलेले कार्य हे अतिशय उल्लेखनीय आहे. कोविड काळातही त्यांनी ऑनलाईन आणि टीव्हीद्वारे धडे देऊन विद्यार्थ्यांचे शिक्षण अखंडित ठेवले. त्या केवळ अध्यापनातच नव्हे तर सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम, लोककला, स्वच्छता मोहीम अशा विविध उपक्रमातून विद्यार्थ्यांचा सर्वांगीण विकास. त्याच वर्षी माननीय मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोदजी सावंत सर यांच्या हस्ते त्यांचा सन्मान करण्यात आला. खरंच अशा समर्पित दूरदृष्टी असलेल्या शिक्षिका श्रीमती ममता तातोबा पाटील समाजाच्या आधारस्तंभ आहेत. एकदा जोरदार त्यांच्यासाठी टाळ्या वाजवूया. टीचर ग्रेड 1, दीपविहार हायर सेकंडरी स्कूल, हेडलँड सडा, वास्को. To kindly step on to the stage and accept this prestigious Chief Minister's Vashisht Guru Puraskar. Goa Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education as a convener, textbook editor and curriculum committee member for Hindi. As a secretary of PTA, he has organized Yuva Srujanotsav to promote hidden talents of students. He has presented research paper on गोवा पर्यटन विकास में हिंदी की अहम भूमिका at the national level seminar. Higher secondary teacher category awardee Shri Sunil Jagannath Seth. Moving ahead in the headmasters category South. With great respect, I call upon Srimati Aurora D'Souza, a service in the field of education. She is known as a visionary leader who believes in fostering inclusive, innovative, and community-centered learning environments. She has contributed immensely as a resource person for teacher training, promoted contemporary teaching methodologies, and guided educators in adapting to new pedagogical practices. Her work has earned multiple recognition, including the Best Teacher Award and Bharat Olympiad. Our next awardee in the Headmasters category North is Shri Gurudas Sakaram Palkar, Headmaster, Jnanaprasark Vidyalaya, Mansra, Goa. By the Government of Goa. And the Swachh Vidyalaya Puraskar. He has also led the school's Yuva Tourism Club to be the first of its kind in the state. With an ISO certification and recognition at the state and national level, his vision has made the school a model of excellence. With years of tireless service, Shri Gurudas Palkar has carved a leg Margam. Today, we are honoring a teacher who has always believe in being a continuous learner and innovator. She has enriched her teaching by updating herself with the latest tools, NPTEL courses on Swayam platform, and by using technology such as smart boards to make learning more engaging. She has also coordinated financial literacy initiative at the national level in collaboration with the National Stock Exchange Mumbai. Her remarkable contribution has been recognized by many